So you can see we have our index.html file. The title of the page is home page, and we have a content inside the body tag, which is this is home page. Let me open a new tab in Google Chrome and visit google.com. Let me maximize the browser. You can see before the Google title there is a G logo or icon. So if you visit some websites, you will notice that before this title every website has their logo or icon. Let me close this. So we want that before the home page title we should have a favicon like Google. This icon is called favicon. So for that, first we need a picture or a logo. So let me minimize this VS Code and open my file manager. Inside the downloads folder I have a picture, or you can treat this like a logo, which is myicon.jpg. Let me close this file manager and maximize the Google Chrome and open a new tab. Here write favicon generator, then hit enter. Open this link, which is favicon.io. In this website you will get an option which is PNG to ICO. Click on this link, then here you will get a converter. Click here, then select your image, which is myicon.jpg. Then click on this open button. You can see the image is in the website. Then click on this download button. You can see the website downloaded favicon.io.zip file. Let me close this tab, minimize the browser and go to my file manager. And in the downloads directory you can see that zip file. I'm gonna unzip this by right clicking on this, then click on this extract all button. Yes, extract. You can see the zip file got extracted and the folder got opened in a new window. Let me close this and show you the folder. Here it is, favicon.io. Open this folder. So here are many files, but we are interested in this one, which is favicon.ico, this one. If you hover on this, you can see the dimensions are 48 into 48. So the dimension of any favicon is 48 into 48. So I'm gonna choose this icon and move this to our first folder where our index.html file is located. Let me close the file manager and open the VS Code again. And if I go to the file menu, you can see our index.html file, then the favicon.ico file. Let me close the file menu and maximize the Google Chrome browser and put this beside the VS Code. To add a favicon to the page, we have to use the link tag. So I'm gonna write link. It is an unpaired tag. So the opening and closing tag will be in a single tag. Save the file. Nothing happens because this link tag accepts many attributes. But in this video, we are interested in 3 attributes. Those helps adding favicon to our page. First one is rel, which stands for relation. The relation is shortcut icon. Then we have to give another attribute, which is href, and the value would be the path of our favicon. So favicon.ico. Then we have to give the type attribute, and the type attributes value would be image/x-icon. Save the file. You should see a favicon, but there is nothing you can see. This may happen because sometimes while adding favicon to our page, the browser gets stuck. So I'm gonna close the browser or the local server and try to relaunch this on our browser. Let's see what happens next. Oh, you can see that we have our favicon just before our title. So that's how you can add a favicon to your web pages, which looks nice. I forgot to show you a shortcut, which is if I delete this link tag, then let me rewrite this with a shortcut, which is link. Then I'm gonna write the colon then we have the option which is favicon. If you hit enter, you can see this code is automatically generated for you by VS Code.